Hello guys, welcome to Tech Savvy. So in this video, we are going to discuss about basic Linux commands. Firstly, we'll start with what is Linux, and then we'll discuss about why we should learn commands, and then we'll look into some basic commands. So what is Linux? In simple terms, Linux is nothing but an operating system like Windows. So under Windows, there are many versions are available, right? Like Windows XP, Windows 7, 8, 10, and so on. Similar to that, Linux also has some distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Debian. Many other operating systems are there. So, what is the advantages of this operating system? Firstly, it is open source. Means you need not to purchase any license. But for Windows, you need to purchase license. Then only you can able to access it. And the second reason is it is most secure. It has strong security features, including user permissions and regular updates. As it is an open source operating system, it allows rapid identification and fixing security vulnerabilities if there are any vulnerabilities are available. Okay, and then third thing is stability. It can easily run for longer periods. It doesn't require frequent reboots. So this is one of the main factor that this operating system opts for servers. And it is flexibility. You can customize this operating system and you can access it based on your specific needs. So these kind of advantages are there with Linux operating system. So what is the importance of learning commands? If you learn commands, you can use your system at its full potential. If you know the commands completely, you can automate the process, customize the system, and you can utilize the system efficiently. And apart from this is one of the most important and basic skill for every tech person. As I previously mentioned, this operating system is actually using in servers. So if you are into the software, there might be a chance of getting to work with servers, either to host the applications or might be any reason. At the time, you need to perform like navigating files to files or directories to directories, or copying or moving. Such kind of operations you need to perform. For that, you should learn these basic commands. There you don't have any GUI to do that, because in servers they always think about the size. If you add GUI to host your application itself, that will be the cost of that infra will be expensive. So to reduce that, we always look into smaller sizes. So that's why we try to avoid the GUIs over servers. So you have to work with terminal itself. So we need to learn commands if you want to communicate with the system or the server. Okay. And finally, we'll see the basic Linux commands. Basically, this is how terminal looks like. First, we'll start with ls command. What is ls? ls means list. So it will show you all the files and folders which is available in the current working directory. So these are the available directories or files in this home directory. Directory is nothing but a folder. So after that, if you want to print a long list, with the detailed information with all the files and folders, you need to hit ls-l, means long list. So you can see all the information about these files, its size, when it was created, and these are the permissions across the users. Means read, write, and execute. This for owner, users, and others. So this is how you can see. And if you want to see the hidden files or directories, you can hit ls-l and a all. See, there are two more folders are available. Directory. And if you can see, this number is nothing but a size of this folder or the file. To read it in a human readable format, you need to hit ls-l and h. Means, see here, it was converted to human readable format. Means it is a 6.7 MB. And if you want to see the size of specific file or folder, you can use ls-l, h, and directory or the file name you need to give. In my case, I'll give files.zip. Look, So this is how I can access the information about specific files. In fact, you can sort these files with size also. See, now it was 6.7 MB is the size and rest of the files are 4 KB. So it was sorted. And now we'll look into cd command. Cd means change directory. As I said, directory is nothing but folder, means so cd in the sense changing the folders. So here if we see ls, so now I'll navigate to this folder 1 directory with cd command, cd and folder name. In my case it is folder _1. See, now it is navigated from home to folder 1 directory. And now if I want to navigate furthermore, we can use ls command to know all the files and folders which is available in the current working directory. Now these are the folders are available. Now I want to navigate furthermore, again I used to use this command cd folder 1. If you hit enter, it will execute. Now we'll again see what are the available directories or files. See, right now there is nothing in this directory. Okay, changing from one directory to another directory is fine, but how we can get back to the home directory or folder 1 directory? Again we use the cd command, change and double dot. It will take you one step back to the directory. Or if you want to go back furthermore, you can use cd space double dot / and again double dot. It will go back folders more. See, now from directly folder 1 to / directory. In Linux terminology, it is a root directory. Now I'll use pwd command to print the path of that directory. See, it is now /. In the similar manner, you can use more directories at once to move from one directory to another directory, like cd home. If you use tab, it will automatically fill or suggest the available directories or files. Folder 1, even more. Now there are many, I think multiple folders are available, so that's why it is not like completely filling. So if you hit the tab button twice, it will show all the suggestions. Look, in my case, so these are the available directories, the similar name, so that's why it is showing that folder 1, folder 2, folder 3. So I'll opt for folder 1. Now I'll use folder 1. See, and hit enter. Now I can use the print working directory command to print. See, from here to here with a single command. So this is how we can use Linux commands. So in my next video we'll discuss about more details on other commands and we'll execute and we'll see. So until, stay tuned and please do subscribe to my channel and please do let me know if you have any queries. Bye bye.